A couple nights ago, I saw what I thought were hummingbirds on this desert willow tree in our backyard, and there was a few flying around. I don't know, I wasn't sure. I was like, are those hummingbirds or could they be hummingbird moths? So if anyone can tell, I know this video isn't great. It was shot from a distance and it was 8:45 in the evening, so not much light left. But look at these guys. I mean, they're flying exactly like hummingbirds. Well, pretty much as far as I can tell. But see, and the way there's like pairs or groups, I think I saw up to 3. They're kind of like chasing each other off, it seems at sometimes. I mean, that's hummingbird behavior. But again, I'm thinking they might be moths. These were feeding in the evening. I know most hummingbirds tend to feed during the daytime, and a lot of the hummingbird moths are more nocturnal feeders. They're more active in the evening and at night. I just wish we could see them better. What do you guys think, moth or bird?